Hi, I'm Darla, your Crafty Yarn Owl. Let's get crafty together. Hi everyone, welcome. So Crystal at Bag a Day has put a call out to content creators who do tutorials on their channel. So what she wants is she wants us to show our setup, where we record from, and you know, things like that, and what we use to record. And so I'm going to do that. Thank you, Crystal. This is cool. I loved watching your video, and I'm going to link Crystal's video below. I'm not going to tell you her secrets to recording. You'll have to watch the video. But yeah, I'm going to show you where I record from, where I set my camera up. Actually, I use my phone, and how I set it up to do tutorials. Yeah, what room I'm in, and I'm also going to put below what editing apps I use the most. And this is an Android phone, so I don't know what it would be for an iPhone. But yeah, so let's get started. All right, everybody. So I record in my kitchen. Yes, I do. And I'll show you my lights, but I'm going to shut them off before I show you because I don't want it to hurt your eyes. So up above here, there are four lights. Recess lighting, I think they're called, or pot lights. And then up here I have a big fluorescent light. So that's my lighting. And then this is where I set up. This is where I sit right here to record my videos. I have my owls and things back behind me here. And so this is my recording device. It just hooks to the table. I have it set up like that with my phone on it. I record everything with my phone. It's Samsung Galaxy S9, and that's Android. And I hook it on this stand that I got from Amazon. If I can find the link, I'll put it down below. But this cost me $30 Canadian. But it's a good thing so far. It hasn't broken. I've had it for quite some time. And then when I record, oh, you can see I make cards and things like that too, because I always like to include a handmade card when I send out happy mail or you know, winnings for giveaways or whatever. So what I do is I set this up to record videos. I set it up right in front, and then I kind of try to tip it down so you can have a little bit of a better view from above. And then I will work around it, around the camera. So sometimes I bump the camera with my face. So you may have heard me apologize when I'm doing a tutorial. I'll be like, oh, sorry. I hit the camera with my face. So yeah, this is where all the magic happens. I do other crafts as well in here. I do everything in here. And I'm working, this is going to be the new tutorial. I hope it's going to work out. I think I'm on track. But yeah, you never know sometimes. And I finally put a little calendar in here that I made. And so I'll know what date it is. A lot of the time I don't know when I come on. I'm like, oh, phooey, I forgot to look. All right. So, yeah, like I said, I'll link below the apps, so most of the apps the apps I use the most is what I'm trying to say. For editing, I don't do a lot of editing. I just put clips together, and then I add my intro, my outro. If I forgot to say something in the video, then I'll write it across the screen. Things like that. Sometimes I'll put a face that looks shocked when I say something shocking. You know, I do things like that. But I don't usually cut anything out of a video that I've said. If I make a boo-boo, I just correct myself right away usually, or laugh about it, because if you can't laugh at yourself, I mean, what's the use, right? So yeah, this is how I set things up. So I just move it around and put it where I want it. And I always make sure I have my owls in the back here, Crafty Yarn Owl. Yeah, most of these were gifts from my lovely, lovely viewers. Yes, my YouTube fam. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a wonderful day.